Hi everyone! How's everybody? Today, I'm in front of the camera instead of all the food I'm cooking. Anyway, I'm supposed to be flying together with my family in the Philippines today. In the dreams na lang yung pinabook kong UK to Singapore, Singapore to Pinas, and way pabalik, Pinas to Hong Kong, Hong Kong to UK. I'm quite a bit depressed about that kasi I've been planning for 3 years since 2017 ang last ko na umuwi ng Pilipinas. But I can't do anything because of this pandemic. So I'll take the things into a positive side na lang na instead nagagastusin ko yung 300,000 na pamasahe ko pesos, 300,000 pesos is iipon ko na lang at saka maybe who knows next time I gonna be more grandeur holiday ang mapupuntahan ko. At saka may ipon pa ako. So, para ma-divert yung attention ko sa depression na hindi ako makauwi at na-stress doon, magluluto na lang tayo. Samahan niyo ako sa mga simpleng luto sa bahay ni Lorena. Come on, let's start cooking! Sa aking bagong recipe. At salamat sa pagsama niyo sa akin. Palagi hindi niyo ako iniiwanan. At palaging binibisita ang aking bahay. Thank you! Guys, ito yung ating mga ingredients sa ating Aroz Valenciana Ilonggo style. Okay. Ito yung ating onions, peas, bell pepper, garlic, raisin. Pang-garnish natin yung ating egg. Pero yung nasa gitna niya is ang yung magpapakulay sa atin, yung turmeric powder. At magpapaganda din ang lasa niya. Ito yung ating meat. Ating pork. You can have the chicken as well if you want it, guys. If you don't eat pork. The liver. This is only optional because I love liver. And I have the sausage in here as well. Chicken broth, about 5 cups in there. That's will be the one to cook for our glutinous rice. Obviously, our glutinous rice here is about 3 cups. And my twist on this dish is an orange drink, or you can use mango or Fanta. Oil is already hot. golden brown. Once our garlic and onions are ready, I don't need to cook my liver because I already had it grilled beforehand, so that liver is ready. And I'm gonna cook a bit of the other side. Boil. Once it boils, you taste accordingly to your own taste if it's okay. And for me, I usually don't put salt on this one. So let's put the glutinous rice. Once we put the glutinous rice, we leave it like cooking in steam, very low fire, guys. You don't want to get it burnt under, so you need to be patient with this. Okay, so just okay. Once the water is almost finished, we'll add the rest of the ingredients. We'll cover it. And then we'll move it to a very low, okay? Just about 1. So, almost dry na nga siya. So, ilalagay na natin yung ating liver. Yung ating peas. Yung ating raisin. At saka yung ating pepper. Na rin yung ating sausage. So, we'll just let them combine together. Okay. Obviously, huwag natin kalimutan yung ating Fanta or Tango. Ano ba sa atin? Yung orange. Nakalimutan ko yung mga brand. Kasi sa amin dito, Tango, Fanta, ewan ko ano ko balikan sa Pilipinas. Basta, it's an orange fizzy drink. Then, haluin lang natin siya, guys. Okay? Don't overmix it. Kasi, pangit din. Ayoko din siyang malasas. So, I could smell it now. It's so coming. So, takpan lang natin hanggang mag-absorb lahat ng